Chillbilly. And this is the 70th anniversary Weber Kettle Grill in Hot Rod Yellow. So now, for the exciting news! Weber and I are celebrating the release of my brand new single, Chillbilly, with Justin Champagne and Ryan Robinette. So pay attention, because here is the important part. We're giving away not one, but 2 of these beautiful grills. And here's how you can win one. First, visit this website. There you'll see 4 easy ways to enter, and you can get up to 18 entries. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Right now!